Just above the column letters, you'll see a white row. And if you rest your mouse without clicking on that white row, you'll see this is called the formula bar, and this will earn its name when we start doing formulas. But to the left of the formula bar is what they call the name box, and the name box is telling me the name of the cell I'm sitting in. The column letter A and the row number 1 are coloured differently. This is telling me I'm sitting in the cell A1. If I then click here, I'm now sitting in B4. Excel is very much like the game Battleships when you were a child, when you were trying to figure out where the other person's submarines and destroyers were, and you spoke in coordinates. Excel's the same. As you click around various cells, the coordinates are indicated in the name box. To give you an appreciation for the number of columns and the number of rows you have, if on the keyboard you hold the Control key and hit the right arrow, you'll go the last column, XFD. You have 16,384 columns, so you should have enough columns. If you hit Control left arrow, you'll go the first column, and Control right arrow is the last column. I'm going back to Control left arrow. Now, logically speaking, if you go Control down arrow, you'll go the last row. If I hit Control down arrow, I can see I've got 1,048,576 rows, and Control up arrow is the top row. So you should have enough rows and you should have enough columns.